Here's lesson 112, number 6. The wording's kind of confusing, but it says the city was assessed for $8 million. So $8 million, that's how much the city is worth. Okay, so that's like your beginning amount before you tax stuff. And then it says a rate for school taxes was 60 cents per $100 valuation. So that might sound confusing. Maybe you've never heard it said that way. But even though I didn't really know what a valuation was, like V-A-L-U-A, anyway, I didn't really know what they meant. I just tried something. And what I tried is I kind of understood that for every $100 worth, they're going to take 60 cents. And that kind of makes sense, right? 60 cents per every $100. So I decided I'm going to find out how many hundreds go into, 8 million. And so basically I just lopped off some zeros. And I ended up with, 80,000? And then I said, well, okay, so that's how many hundreds there are in 80 million. Because it said 60 cents per every $100. So there's 80,000 hundreds, right? And I need 60 cents per each hundred. So I had to multiply by 60 cents. So that gave me $48,000. And that is what they said that was the school tax. They said the rate for school taxes was 60 cents per $100. Okay, so now I know that that's how much money got collected for the school taxes. But if all but 4% of the taxes had been collected, how many dollars were still owed to the city? Oh, am I not done with this? If all but 4%, so I'm not quite, I thought I was done with it, but I think I'm not quite done because, or am I? If all but 4% were collected, how much is still owed? So I definitely want to find what 4% of this taxes is, right? So and of means times, and that's how you write 4% as a decimal. So I multiplied it, and I got that much. So that is 4% of the taxes. So all of it got collected, but 4%. So I think this is our answer. This is how much is still owed to the city. Okay, because that's 4% of, all the rest of it got collected except for this much. And so that's how much is still owed. Hope that makes sense.